What's up guys, Alec here, and Instagram has just released a new update which now allows us to reply to comments using Reels. So here's how to reply to comments using Reels. So as you can see right now, I'm in my Reels, and if I go into one of my old Reels, go to the comments and I hit reply, as you can see, nothing actually happens. There's supposed to be like a little icon that appears where my profile picture is. So I figured it out. Basically, it's only on the new Reels. So I just put this one up as a test and I commented on it. And if I reply to it, as you can see, I've got this little camera icon that now appears in the bottom left of my screen. I tap on it, and now I can actually see my comment and reply to it as a question. So I can click and drag this around just like a regular sticker. And the only thing is that when I record and I hold it down, obviously it disappears, but now I'm replying to the comment with the Reels. Let go, click preview. And then if I just post this, let's just do another test, click OK. Click share. I'm curious to see what it actually looks like within the comment section. And then I'm going to go back and refresh just like this. So I've replied to it. So I've got my Reels right here. It says replying to ACW. I can just tap here, takes me back to the previous one. I can view the one reply. Just like in TikTok, it shows up as a Reel. And that's how to reply to comments with Reels. Thanks for watching.